It's Love Week. I'm so excited. It's Wednesday. I have to run over to Susan's next door to pick up my packages since we are closed Mondays and Tuesdays. So let's go get the packages. Alright, you guys, I got my packages, so let's get to unboxing. So what I do when I get new packages in is I go on Instagram and I do stories where I unbox everything inside to show everyone what we received. I'm going to try to record it on here while I'm also doing it on the phone. We'll see how well I do. Okay, I got a little busy at the store, so I had to pause on showing you guys what was going on and what was happening, but look at this dress. It's stunning. We're getting a lot of our spring stuff in. We have a new collection dropping, so stay tuned. I'm kind of showing you the new collection today, not all of it, but I have a corset coming in with the same print as this. You guys are gonna love it. So that's basically what I do, you guys. I record and I show everyone everything on my phone here. So I'll like put in a little clip here to show you what I'm doing. A feature that I absolutely love on Shopify is the duplication feature. So let's say you have two products that are the same, right? So for instance, I have my Sunday morning tank and I have it in blue and I also have it in black. All I'm gonna need to do after I save everything, once I'm done putting in like the collection, all the tags, the brand, how many, all that jazz, I'm gonna tap the three dots where here in the corner where the save button is currently, and I press duplicate with new photo, and then I can add new photos in, which is so easy. It really helps me and probably helps so many other people too, because like it's such a tedious job putting all of this in the system, but that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, so here it is finished. We're gonna press the three dots here in the corner and we are gonna tap this button here that says duplicate. Boom. And then you just click this where it says image, and then instead of it saying copy, you're just gonna delete that guy there, and then you're gonna press save, and it's going to activate the other one, and then it's going to duplicate it, and then all I'm gonna have to do is press this and then add the images of the black tank top. And there you are. Then the next thing that you would do is you would go down to tags, and then you would delete like blue and you would put in vintage wash black or whatever, which looks like I forgot to put blue for the other one, so I'm gonna have to go back and I'm gonna add in the black and vintage wash for this one here. The next day here at the shop, it is raining outside, which means we're not going to see a lot of people because it's California and most people think they're made of paper when it's raining. But it is the day before Valentine's Day, so I am hopeful that I will see some people. I did have a couple come in earlier and they were so cute, so friendly, looking for an outfit for their date night tomorrow, and he was kind of telling me what he has planned for her, which I think is so cute. Love Week has been so successful with boyfriends coming in, purchasing things for their girlfriends, and then girlfriends coming in buying outfits for their dates that they're going on with their girlfriends or boyfriends, so that's been a lot of fun. I'm needing to find an outfit for my date with my man, so let's go figure that out right now. Guys, the lighting has been like super wonky all day because of the rain, but I just wanted to show you some of these cute items we have here. I'm thinking about wearing this tomorrow with some jeans for Valentine's Day. I'll go grab the jeans that I'm talking about, or actually let me just spin you guys around really fast and then I can show you. Perfect. So I think we're gonna do something like this. What do you guys think? Super cute, right? I'm probably gonna do like some sort of jacket on top and a bunch of jewelry, but I think this is gonna be a perfect outfit for Valentine's Day. I'll take you guys back this way.
I ended up wearing something completely different from the shop. I wore the Annika tie top and the Annika barrel jeans.
Okay guys, Christian really just surprised me with these flowers for Valentine's Day, which is so sweet. He's going to be super busy tomorrow at the tasting room, so he brought them for me today. We do have dinner plans tomorrow, which I'm so excited for. It's our favorite place, the Slanted Door. If you haven't gone, you must try it. They're fantastic. I'm looking forward to tomorrow, and I can't wait to wear one of the items here at the shop to dinner.
The rest of the week ended up being super busy, but next week we are styling models and a part of a nonprofit fashion show, so stay tuned to see behind the scenes.